Hey guys, this video is for demonstrating how to use our WT901 Wi-Fi senders and setting up with the computer software. Step 1, you need to connect the sender with the cable. Okay, and turn it on. Step 2, you need to close the firewall of your computer like this way, setting the safety of Windows. Make sure to shut down the domain network and turn it off. Correct. And then Step 3, we go to use the software. Double hit the Witmotion Software. Okay, and now we need to connect our computer's Wi-Fi. Taking the mobile phone personal hotspot Wi-Fi as an example, you need to set it as the maximum compatibility to compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi does not compatible with the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So you need to get the senders connected and the computer's Wi-Fi exactly like the Wi-Fi name and set up. Okay, now the computer is paired with the correct Wi-Fi and we want to configure and hit the wide distribution network to pair the Wi-Fi. Okay, and select the correct COM port and edit the Wi-Fi name. Select the correct COM port and input the Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, and then you need to select the UDP communication mode and choose the current host computer and start configuration with Wi-Fi. Okay, once there is jump out windows like this, which means the sender is receiving the data. Okay, let's close the windows. Double hit the blank space of the software. Okay, as you can see, the sender starting to output data and measure the attitude angle in the real time. And this is the raw data of the WT901 Wi-Fi senders. Okay, and this is the 3-dimension. Thanks a lot for watching.